Oh my God, this is so good. Oh my gosh. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Tia Faith and I am making a green juice. You guys know that green juice is always my go-to whenever I'm feeling a little bit bloated, like I have some inflammation, if I just need some form of a detox or anything. So we're gonna make a green juice, and this one has kale, parsley, green apples, Bartlett pear, celery, cucumber, and lemon. Lemon's the only thing that's not green in it. I've gone ahead and I've already washed all my fruits and vegetables. You can't see much underneath all this kale. One thing I did forget to mention, I just saw it, I also have green grapes in this. And I added apples, grapes, and pears because I want to take away some of the taste from the kale, and I want to make sure that it has a nice sweetness to it. So we're going to go ahead and start adding everything into my Nama juicer, and then we're going to go ahead and get started. Of course, I'm going to go in with my kale first because it's pretty soft, like a combination of the kale, grapes, and parsley. The parsley and the kale is kind of all mixed together, but it's okay. Go ahead and get some lemon in there. And this is full. Crazy story, I actually left my pictures that come with the Nama at home. So I'm using like a jar and another container to catch my juice. This juice smells green. Like, this is gonna be good. I'm looking forward to it. I wonder if I should use more than one lemon. We'll see. Last grape. Honestly, like, when I'm not filming myself making juice, it is so easy to make juice with the Nama well. It's not even funny. I'm starting to smell like my apples and pears now because I got all the kale in. But you literally just put all your ingredients in there and walk away. I can't wait until I get the larger hopper because I feel like for the size juice that I make, most of it will be able to fit in there with no issue. So this is what I'm putting my waste in. Remember I told you guys I left the other one at home with my family? It's okay, it's not that serious. But yeah, this is just about done. And honestly, if I was using the picture that comes with it, I wouldn't be able to fit all of this in it. So it's kind of convenient using this larger one that I have. I think this goes to like a salad spinner or something. Don't quote me on that. This is a nice rich green. Let me get my carafe. So I have my carafe, and then I have 2 jars, and I think that should be enough. We're just waiting now for it to finish up so that I can mix it all together. So some aren't like celery heavy and then the others are not. It'll be done in just a second. This comes with the juicer. It's such a useful tool to like get things moving around if it's stuck for whatever reason. So that's what I'm doing right now. I was thinking about making mocktails for like the new year and everything, like using pomegranate and cranberries. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. Because if so, I need to go ahead and get the cranberries before they go out of season. Mind you, I've never eaten like a fresh cranberry, so that would be interesting for me. But we'll see. Okay, so the juice is all done. Let me see. I don't know if this has measures on it, but let's see. It does. So I yielded 6 cups of juice. And that was 2 bundles of kale, 2 green apples, 1 Bartlett pear, about a half a pound of grapes, 1 large cucumber, and some chopped up celery. So here you have it. I gotta be very careful because this handle's actually broken. But first things first, I'm gonna give myself some. In this cup, I got this cup with ice. This cup is really cute. I got it from Dollar General for $3. Do not sleep on the Dollar General. That's a huge mess. I'm glad I added ice because this is warm. I just lost so much juice. I'll do a taste test after I go ahead and get the rest of it in there. But I do want to clean this up a little bit. This is very green and I'm very happy with it. Okay, I like. Oh my God, this is so good. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting that. The combination of fruit that I have in there is perfect. Yeah, so let's try not to make a mess with this. I'm worried that I'm going to though, so we'll see. We're doing a little bit better. Okay, let's not get ahead of ourselves. I hope I don't. This isn't enough to jar, so I'm just gonna add it to what I'm already drinking. This is good, y'all. Did you see that? Oh my God. Oh, I'm not letting any of this go to waste. I would definitely be making this again. Not even gonna smash it down because you saw what just happened. Okay, let me clean this up. Okay, so despite all my hiccups I had in the end, this juice is so good. It is literally like the bomb.com. Green juice, and I'll list the ingredients below and I'll list them on the screen as well. But this is kale, Bartlett pears, green apples, celery, parsley, a large cucumber, and 1 lemon, as well as some grapes. I always forget the grapes. This is good. This is chef's kiss. It is so good. And okay, so maybe I'm just kidding. How about I forgot that I had this aloe vera that I wanted to use. So guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to go ahead and juice this, and then I'm just gonna add it into my carafe and then top off my other one with it. Literally, like, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? And you guys know there are so many benefits of juicing. I've already mentioned a few at the beginning. Helps fight inflammation and bloating. It gives you your nutrients a lot sooner. This is so good. Let me know if you make it below. And guys, if you've made it this far, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I love all of your support. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.